Hi, my name is Liam. Check out my channel Happy Bees TV for more kids videos. Today I want to talk to you about sheep. Sheep are social animals that enjoy being together in a flock. They can remember faces and recognize their sheep friends. Their woolly coats help protect them from cold weather, while their hooves help them travel across fields and hills. At night, sheep rest together where they feel safe and cozy. Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe.